Most people think bad posture is just a habit, but the truth is, bad posture is a muscle imbalance problem. If you sit a lot, use your phone often, or work at a desk, your body slowly adapts to poor positions. The good news? You can fix your posture in 10 weeks if you follow the right steps consistently. In this video, I'll break it down week by week so you know exactly what to do. The first step is awareness. Most people don't even realize how they sit or stand. So for the first 2 weeks, your goal is simple. Notice and reset. What to do daily. Check your posture every hour, sit with feet flat on the floor, keep your screen at eye level, relax your shoulders, don't pull them up. Daily reset drill, 2 minutes. Stand tall. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head upward, chin slightly tucked, chest open, ribs down. This phase prepares your body for real correction. Bad posture tightens certain muscles, chest, neck, hip flexors. If you don't stretch them, posture won't improve. Key stretches, daily. Chest stretch, 30 seconds x 2. Neck stretch, side to side, slow and controlled. Hip flexor stretch, 30 seconds each side. Do these once in the morning and once before bed. By the end of week 4, you'll already feel less neck stiffness, more upright posture, better breathing. Stretching alone is not enough. Now we strengthen the muscles that hold good posture. Focus muscles, upper back, core, glutes exercises 3 to 4 times per week. Wall angels, 3 sets of 10 plank, 30 to 45 seconds glute bridges. 3 sets of 15 face pulls or band pull-aparts. 3 sets of 12 move slow. Focus on control. This is where posture starts to stay upright naturally. Now, and we train posture in real life. Good posture shouldn't be forced. It should be automatic. Daily posture habits. When walking, shoulders relaxed, chest open. When sitting, back against the chair, core lightly engaged. When using your phone, bring the phone to eye level, posture check rule. Every time you sit down, stand up, pick up your phone, do a 5-second posture reset. This builds posture into your nervous system. At this stage, your posture is better, but now we make it last all day. Add endurance work. Dead hangs, 20 to 30 seconds, farmer's carry. Hold weights and walk tall. Longer planks, up to 60 seconds. Weekly posture test, stand sideways in front of a mirror. Ear, shoulder, hip, and ankle should line up. If they do, you fixed your posture. Remember this, posture is not fixed in one day. Consistency beats intensity. Small daily habits create big results. If you follow this plan for 10 weeks, your posture will improve, your confidence will rise, and your pain will decrease. Stand tall, move better, live stronger. Smash on the subscribe button if this video helped you.